Yui. Oh, looks absolutely gorgeous.
Sunglasses.
So we're going to Salt Lake to pick up Kaleo, and we're gonna have a long, nice day today.
Wait, I forgot the raw stuff.
Kaleo!
Oh, hello. Sorry.
Hey.
We at Ross returning, and I'm with Kaleo here at Ross.
What's up?
Jamba Juice.
This is Starbucks.
Starbucks.
Where's Kaleo?
Jamba Juice.
Oh, Java.
So what's up, everybody? Right now, Yuish just got her drink from Starbucks. What did you get?
I got passion iced tea.
And we're just waiting for Kaleo. He's at Jamba Juice right now getting his drink because at Ward Village, we're going to the Rice Fest today. Well, this is the Rice Fest festival and it's empty. Nothing's really going on.
It's rice in there. You want me to open it?
Yeah.
Crab rice.
Wow.
That looks so good.
How was the Rice Festival?
That's good.
Good. It was okay. So I didn't eat anything. So here we are at the looking for costume at Ward. Oh, Teletubbies.
No, we can. You should wear that. This is a shirt.
So here we are at Starbucks for the second time. Yui's going the second one. Here with Kaleo, looking at cosplayers. I mean, we're
Looking for Ninja Turtle. Ninja Turtle costume for Halloween.
Oh, this one's super nice.
Some more? Here, let's see. What is this for? Which one? Yeah, there was another one that
Oh, that's the name.
Not for that.
Would you like a napkin?
I don't know. I don't do fingers, so I wouldn't know.
So here we are now at Safeway. Because we're gonna be going at my old house and we're gonna cook dinner there with Scott and Kaleo. So yeah, it's gonna be fun tonight. See you guys there.
Pineapple and Sprite. Good. Really good.
Pineapple.
Chris, Nicki Minaj.
Yeah.
It's not just that place, there's other like secret bases where they do. Imagine like the reason why we have
So what's the name of your dishes?
enchilada and french fries.
So here we are, we're eating the spaghetti first. Kaleo's there. Scott's making rice. And we're watching San Andreas. Oh yeah. Yeah. Okay, so me and you, we just had a wonderful dinner at my house, and me and you, we just dropped off Kaleo at his house. So here we are at Target. It's called Night Target. Like night market, but night Target. Show you guys around. There's hardly anybody here. Target. And nobody's